Welcome to the ultimate guide on Mediterranean style. Let's explore how to design a luxury coastal home. This timeless aesthetic brings the warmth, romance, and relaxed elegance of Southern Europe right into your living space. Discover how to blur the lines between indoors and out, creating a private oasis of tranquility and supreme comfort. Whether you live by the sea or just want to feel like you do, this style transforms any house into a permanent vacation. Get ready to master the essential elements, colors, and materials needed to craft your own luxurious Mediterranean retreat. So, what exactly is the Mediterranean style? It's a design language born from the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It heavily draws inspiration from the romantic aesthetics of Spain, the rustic charm of Italy, and the vibrant coastal vibes of Greece. At its core, this style celebrates a philosophy of slow living, embracing nature, light, and the joy of gathering with loved ones. Today's luxury Mediterranean homes elevate these traditional roots, blending rustic warmth with clean, sophisticated, modern comforts. It is an aesthetic that prioritizes an atmosphere of effortless elegance, where every space feels both opulent and deeply relaxing. The most defining key feature is the prominent use of arches. They soften spaces and create a graceful, flowing architecture. Authentic stucco and textured plaster walls add incredible depth, bringing a handcrafted, artisanal warmth to the home. High ceilings adorned with heavy, exposed wooden beams provide a striking contrast and inject instant historic charm. Central courtyards are essential. They create a private oasis for outdoor living, bringing fresh air and nature directly inside. Say goodbye to carpets. Luxury coastal homes rely on cool, natural stone, terracotta, and beautifully patterned ceramic tiles. Moving to the color palette, the foundation is always built on warm, earthy neutrals. Think crisp whites, creams, and sandy beiges. To capture the coastal spirit, we introduce layers of brilliant ocean blues, from deep navy to vibrant turquoise and soft aqua. We bring in the heat of the Mediterranean sun with rich terracotta, burnt orange, and baked clay accents for ultimate warmth. To connect with the surrounding landscape, subtle touches of muted olive and sage greens are woven seamlessly into the design. Finally, pops of vibrant golden yellow are used sparingly to mimic the radiant, joyful energy of the bright Mediterranean sun. Natural stone is essential. We use raw, unpolished marble, limestone, and travertine to ground the home in earthy luxury. Wrought iron adds structural beauty and contrast. Look for hand-forged details in lighting, stair railings, and hardware. Reclaimed wood brings history and warmth. Distressed oak beams and antique furniture offer an authentic, lived-in feel. Incorporate natural woven materials like rattan, jute, and cane. They introduce a breezy, relaxed coastal texture. For the living room, focus on symmetry and social layouts. Anchor the space with a large fireplace and plush linen sofas. Layering is key. Add wrought iron chandeliers, terracotta vases, and large indoor olive trees to complete the aesthetic. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Use structural arches, exposed beams, and terracotta floors for a rustic foundation. Opt for warm wood cabinetry, open shelving displaying copper cookware, and stunning hand-painted tile backsplashes. Transform the bedroom into a serene retreat. A dark wood four-poster bed draped in sheer linen creates ultimate romance. Keep the decor minimal. Use subtle coastal accents like sea glass lamps, dusty blue velvet chairs, and soft watercolor art. Create a spa-like sanctuary in the bathroom. Use smooth Tadillac plaster, natural limestone floors, and a stone soaking tub. Elevate the space with unlacquered brass fixtures, reclaimed wood vanities, and stunning hand-painted blue mosaic tiles. Blur the lines with an open, glass-free walk-in shower that connects directly to a private, sun-drenched garden courtyard. Tip number 1. Maximize natural light. Ditch heavy curtains and let the brilliant coastal sun flood your entire home. Tip 2. Embrace imperfection. Celebrate the organic beauty of hand-troweled plaster, raw wood, and artisanal ceramics. Tip 3. Use consistent flooring. Running the same stone from indoors to the patio seamlessly blends the two spaces. Tip 4. Curate authentically. Choose fewer, high-quality, meaningful pieces with a history over mass-produced decor. Tip 5. Keep it uncluttered. A true luxury coastal home breathes. Give your beautiful architecture room to shine. Tip 6. Always bring nature inside. Incorporate large indoor olive trees or indoor garden beds for a vibrant life. As the sun sets, this design truly comes alive, radiating warmth, romance, and an undeniable sense of luxurious peace. Layered, warm, ambient lighting is crucial for the evening, highlighting the textures and creating a profoundly romantic atmosphere. Al fresco dining is a cornerstone of this lifestyle. Create magical outdoor spaces to gather, eat, and celebrate under the stars. A massive stone fireplace anchors the home, providing a deeply comforting, grounded space for relaxation during cooler evenings. This design is sensory. It's about feeling the gentle coastal breeze through open arches and sheer linen curtains every single day. Mediterranean luxury is not a passing trend. It is an investment in enduring craftsmanship, noble materials, and timeless elegance. By mastering these elements, you elevate your home from a simple residence into a breathtaking, private, 5-star luxury resort. Ultimately, it is about creating your own personal oasis, a tranquil, beautiful sanctuary designed to escape the fast-paced world. The true soul of a Mediterranean home lies in its warmth and its welcoming spirit, built explicitly for joyful, communal living. A true luxury coastal home seamlessly blends breathtaking architecture with the natural beauty of the surrounding land and sea. Thank you for joining our Mediterranean room tour. Embrace the warmth, the textures, and the timeless elegance of coastal luxury.